Have you ever thought to yourself, maybe I should just quit? Maybe this role, this company, this career isn't for me anymore. If so, before you hand in that resignation, pause. Because the problem might not be your job. The problem might be that you have outgrown how you think. Hi, friends. I am Smita, an executive coach and personal empowerment life coach. And today, I'm going to share with you that you don't need to quit. You need a coach. Let me guess. You have done well. You have climbed the ladder, built a reputation, maybe even led a team. But now, you are at a point where the challenges aren't exciting anymore. The meetings drain you. The impact feels diluted. You are not failing. You are just frustrated, invisible, or uninspired. And here's the part no one will tell you: success can be its own trap. What got you here, your hard work, your grind, your expertise, won't necessarily get you to what's next. And that's where coaching steps in. Quitting is a reaction, coaching is a strategy. When you quit without clarity, you carry your confusion into the next thing. But when you invest in coaching, you gain the tools to get crystal clear on what's missing, communicate your value with impact, lead with confidence and authenticity, and reignite your purpose without having to burn down your career. Because most professionals don't actually hate their job. They hate feeling unseen, misaligned, or stuck in a version of themselves they have outgrown. Let's talk truth here. Here are the 5 signs you are not done. You are just ready for your next level. First, you have stopped growing but can't put your finger why. You are performing but you are not evolving. A coach helps you identify the blind spots and breakthroughs. Second, you are craving something more but don't know what that is. That restless energy, it's not a signal to quit. It's a signal to dig deeper. Coaches turn that fog into focused action. Third, you are leading others but losing yourself. Many senior professionals pour into teams but feel disconnected from their own identity. Coaching realigns your inner compass. Fourth, you have got the title but not the voice. You are in the room but not always heard. Coaching helps you elevate executing presence and influence. Fifth, you are waiting for someone else to notice you have outgrown your current box. Here's the truth: the next version of your career isn't given, it's created. Coaching helps you build that next version intentionally. And let me be clear here: coaching isn't therapy, coaching isn't cheerleading. Coaching is transformation with structure. It's you and a trusted thinking partner, asking questions no one else dares to ask, holding space for your growth, challenging assumption you have lived with for years, and unlocking the version of you that already exists but is buried beneath noise, fear, and habits. It's not about fixing you, it's about freeing you. So, before you quit the job, quit doubting your potential. Before you fire off that resignation email, ask yourself, have I given myself the tools to truly grow where I am planted? And if the answer is no, then coaching might just be the career shift you didn't know you need. If this message hit home, drop me a text in the comments. And if you are ready to stop feeling stuck and start leading with impact, book a strategy session. Link is in the description. You don't need to quit. You need a coach. And I am here to help you lead with confidence, communicate with power, and thrive in a career you love. That was all for today. I will see you the next time with another subject. Until then, bye bye.